What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Today, y'all about to see laziness at its finest. Cause that's what we eating tonight. Tonight, strawberry steak with this rice right here. Hold on. And corn. I just couldn't find it. But this is what we're about to eat tonight. This about, I keep on saying every video about to be the fastest video ever. Because I'm really not a lazy cook. I'm really not. But I can't cook no 4-course meal every night. Like no extravagant dinner. Now don't get me wrong, I love to cook and stuff like that. And before y'all say, oh, you lazy because you a stay-at-home mom, I'm really not lazy. But when you gotta cook like 3 meals a day, by the time I get to dinner, you're gonna be pulling out these 2. So some days, like if I got like a like let's say we don't have lunch one day because we just couldn't have lunch, then I want to make a extravagant dinner like fried chicken, mac and cheese that's not out the box, some yams, probably with a biscuit. Then I would do that. Other than that, no. The only thing about it is, right? What I was about to say. I make mac and cheese out of the box because I know a lot of people probably ask me. I make mac and cheese out of the box because my husband likes mac and cheese more than any kid in this earth. So who you think is making mac and cheese? Everybody that know mac and cheese, all the moms. Mac and cheese is expensive. That's the most expensive thing in the freaking market. I don't know why. But I ain't making mac and cheese every night. So you getting it out the box. And that's what my husband likes, out the box. Like, he loves when I make it, like, regular. But every time I make it regular, I don't tell him. So when he get home, he'll be like, oh my God, mac and cheese. He act like a little kid. And next time I make mac and cheese, I'm going to tape his reaction. I was so mad because I made lasagna last week. And I didn't record it. I wanted to show y'all how I make lasagna. But my lazy way anyway. Because the regular way, oh my God, I couldn't make lasagna when I first met my husband. Like, don't play with me. But my mom always made it, so I thought it was like something special to it. So I looked up how to make it. I thought it was something special to it, so I just like Googled how to make it. And when I say Google had me in here spending freaking dollars. They had me spending dollars. It was like, you gotta get fresh Parmesan, you gotta get this cheese, you gotta get this, you gotta get that. First of all, they had me make the sauce from scratch. I'm all like, yo, I'm like, Mom, this what you do? She said, girl, no. It got to the point, I cut down my lasagna so much. It got to the point I don't even use the ricotta cheese no more. And my husband still loves it. The only thing I still use to this day is the cheeses. Only because more cheese the better. So that's what I use. It's the cheese. Other than that, who you think using Parmesan? Not me. But the strawberry steak is in the oven right now. Got to get started on the corn. These can go in the microwave, but corn is the only thing I don't put in the microwave because I like making my corn a certain way. getting another bag of this. I don't know why, but no matter what I cook, I always read the instructions. Just so I make sure I'm cooking the right stuff. I don't know, I just feel like one day I'm gonna make something wrong if I don't read the instructions. But that's how I feel. So I always read the instructions. And people think I'm crazy, but I'm like, one time I cooked something and didn't read the instructions and messed it up. So this is just something I just always do. Read the instructions. On these, first of all, it's different flavors, so I always read the instructions with these, regardless. Hold on. Two cups of water, or 2 bags. But first of all, I gotta find out which one is fun. Yeah. But I'm about to show y'all. Now, is it normal to like do everybody pick what's that thing called? Like I always put milk and butter in mine. But somebody had posted the other day like it was some type of secret. It was like, oh, if you want the best corn you ever had, pick milk and butter. I'm like, we all didn't do that? We just all didn't do that? Okay, I guess I was the only one. I just thought it was like an everybody thing. I thought that was like, you know how when you gotta like, I don't know. I thought everybody did. I'm over here the only one that didn't know everybody didn't do it. I called my mom, I'm like, Mom, you know you're supposed to do it? I mean, you know everybody like making it like a big secret? Oh, it's not right here. But, yeah, big secret. Now, some people was like, oh my God, I tried it. It was the best thing ever. What's today? Oh, not the 18th. I know that much. People was like, oh my God, I tried that. It was the best thing ever. But I'm about to show you what's wrong with that. I want to show you what I was doing, but I forgot to record. So I wound up just putting milk in there. And then 1 stick of butter. I always say put a half or like a quarter. But by the time I be done, I end up with the stick of butter in there regardless. I'm not like, yo, what's the point of doing all this if I always end up with the stick of butter? But I felt so slow. My mom was like, everybody don't cook like me, blah, blah, blah. My mom is a good cook, don't get me wrong. But I never had, I'm going to say, never say never. So far in life, I haven't had somebody, like, with nasty food. Like, I had to spit it out. Don't get me wrong. Now, everybody's food, I had some foods where it's not the best or need work. But I never had no nasty food. that people be like explaining like, oh, this ain't it, da da da. And I think it's because I got the mindset of everybody don't cook like my mom, so don't expect everybody to cook like my mom. So when I expect everybody not to cook like my mom, I go in thinking, okay, I'm prepared for nasty food. So if I go in there prepared for nasty food and it's not nasty, I'm like, this is good. But some people really got good food. I'm sorry if y'all had like nasty food to the point y'all got to spit it out or throw up or blah blah blah. My husband telling me stories like that. Like when we was on the break and other people used to cook some food, he was like, oh, this one girl made me some nasty food. I'm like, yo, one, I don't want to hear it, but then it was like so funny that it was like, alright, I'll listen. And I hope y'all can hear me because I'm like, I'm not whispering, but I'm just not talking loud. And I don't know. Usually, if I talk loud, you would have to like, I don't know. I just hope I'm not talking loud. I need another pan. But the food won't be shorter than this damn video. Yo, honestly, I really never knew how bad my chin was to start making these videos. Like, you know when they be like, oh, his ass on 10 pounds and shit. Okay, I can. It on 10 pounds and whatnot. I really need to like stop. Need to work with it. A fourth of low fat milk. So I need a half a cup of milk. These is something I cannot live without measuring cups. Hold on, y'all. So 2 cups. 3 cups. Wait, 1 3/4. I gotta do some math with the other one. So 1 3/4 of water, right? For 1 bag. So if I do that, right? So 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4 is 2 6/4. So 6 over 4, that's another 1. So that's 3 cups and a half. Yeah, I did math. Three. I be acting like these some nunchucks, cause they be clang, 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 clang. Oh my god. The movie went off. Now I gotta go fit on another movie. Two. Three. And then this one, I can light the stove and wait. And I'll be back. I'm back. I had to put on a movie for the baby. For the baby. But, you know what I can't wait for? Like, when we find a house or whatever, or when I find my dream house. Also, if this YouTube stuff really make it, I can't wait for that. So, the thing about it is, right, I can't wait so I can, like, I want an island on any house I have, even if we, like, rent it or in my dream house. That's, like, in the next house, I want an island. So I can picture on the island, and y'all can watch me cook. So I can stop holding it to me. But I want to talk to y'all and tell y'all what I'm doing. But y'all can't see what I'm doing. People want to watch people cook food. Yes. Hi, God, baby. Mommy? Okay. Okay, we back. Please don't mind my dishes. But we got the rice right here. Don't mind the hole because I like playing with rice. We got the corn right here. I always like to make my corn no matter how it is, like as if I was making corn on cob. And it always come out good. So that's why I like it like that. And then we got the strawberry steak. That should have been out the oven first, but it's still cold. So yeah. But in like 10 minutes, then it'll be done. I'm gonna make plates and then I'm gonna show y'all my anything. Alright, bye.